Hello students, today we will read this interesting story of chapter 5, Annalisa and the Giant. Giant means an extremely huge man, okay, which is very large and his body is very big, bigger than other normal people. So this giant man name was Hugo. Okay, he was very hardworking and he was very gentle giant. He never had any harm to any people. Okay, but he was, because as he was giant in size, so people used to afraid of him, so nobody comes nearby him and he feels very lonely. And he also had his own farm where he grew wheat, fruits, vegetables for him. But he used to feel very lonely as nobody talks to him. He only wants people to make friends with him. Okay, so here, so on every Sunday he used to dress up very nicely and visit to the village to talk to the villagers. He also used to bring some flowers or fruits from his farm. But other people, as the giant Hugo used to speak out to villagers, he used to greet villagers, but other villagers used to think that he speaks like he's roaring, and they could not bear his louder sound. So everybody was fear, nobody could understood that what he is speaking. So here everybody get hide inside their homes. So one day when he was on one Sunday, when he was coming to village to talk to the villagers, there was a little girl, Annalisa, who used to walk with the help of crutches. She fell into a ravine. And what is that? That is uh, kind of खाई, जिसको आप बोलते हो ना हिंदी में खाई, है ना, that we call it like this. So she fell into that pit, deep pit. And that pit was full of snow, so Annalisa didn't got hurt. And there was a man who could not hear properly, who only hear the loudest sound. So that on that Sunday, that man and that Annalisa, as Annalisa was a little distance, so that man and Annalisa could hear what uh, that giant Hugo was speaking, that who Annalisa and that man name was Bolf. Okay, so Bolf, who was having some hearing problem, who could hear only the loudest sound. So he was speaking. So he whenever the giant speaks. But what happened, giant was speaking that hello people, come to meet me and make friendship with me. But that Golf had made a story in front of villagers that the giant man is asking for tons of wheat and food to for him, otherwise he will snatch the children, he would kill the children of villagers. So everybody got afraid of it. So every Sunday when Ball used to make such scary story about giant, so people used to believe him and leave these stock of food in at the mouth of the cave. So, but that day Annalisa heard the giant words too, that he only wants friendship. So she went with her grandfather to the chief's house, and there they gathered some villagers, and they had a meeting that giant never supposed to hurt anybody. He never touched our things, but every time Wolf used to make stories like that giant is giving us warning that give me some food, otherwise I'll snatch your things, I'll destroy your village. So one day that day they decided that they will give all what Wolf is asking at the cave. then but behind it, they will be keep an eye on Ball, what he is doing at that night. So at that late evening, when Ball was making plan of selling the food stocks with his man to earn more money, villagers were hearing all his plan. So they captured the Bolf and his two men who used to help him, his helpers, and they arrested Bolf because he was cheating him, and he because of him, villagers thought that the giant is very bad, right? But then the villagers and everybody realized that giant is a very gentle man. He only wants our friendship. That's why he used to bring flowers and fruits for us from his farm. So when next Sunday giant arrived with some goodies for the villagers, Annalisa called giant that giant, will you be my friend? So giant becomes so happy. Hugo becomes so happy that there is a I have got a new friend, because he was very nice and gentleman. So when Elisa offered him flowers for of friendship, and giant had shared some almonds and raisins, some dry fruits which he has brought for the villagers to make friends. So later villagers also arrived and they said that we believe we want your friendship. So later everybody lived very happily, and Giant and Annalisa, Giant, who is Giant? Hugo and Annalisa had a very good friendship. Annalisa used to tell stories to Hugo and he used to enjoy it. So at last everybody lived happily ever after. That's it. That's all about the story.